Okay. Hey, I don't post a lot of videos anymore. I seem to forget my camera and forget I'm doing video and taping. Anyway, I have to obviously get back on the roof and finish the shingles. But the first thing I have to do is take down the chimney. We're going with electric anyway, so we don't need that. And this takes up a lot of space down on the floor, on the first floor. So I'm taking it clear on down to the basement. And today I started already. And what I'm doing, and I'm just throwing it over the side on the old stuff, letting it get on the ground, and then pick it up there. So basically, I'll just pick it up down there, throwing these. I don't see my supervisor in the video as much as I used to, but he came up the ladder to do a little inspection. Yes, sir, I'm getting it down below the roof line. Okay, that's all I'm gonna get today. I dropped my hammer down there. Yeah, both of them. But I got it definitely below the roof line, so I'll just remove some of this shingles and then patch it in with some plywood, some underlayment. I'll probably have to take up a couple of these rows here. Maybe pull back these just to get a square on that joist. Remove this metal flashing. No big deal. Is this thing on? She's down. I unpatched that up. I got it down below the ceiling. That way I can take the rest of it down on the first floor. And then I am kind of bracing these up a little bit stronger there. Those 2x4s are spanning quite the space. I thought maybe just for a little extra support here. About all I had is, a couple of these things. So I'm gonna get up here later, cut me some 2x4s and